Hello guys, welcome to my channel and please subscribe my channel. I really appreciate this. In this tutorial we will discuss about while loop with break. In the previous video I just type here for I in range 1 to 5 and then print I. It's a very simple. Here it is also very simple. If I will type here for I in range 1 to 11, colon is very important. If you will not type colon, then you will get the error. So after if I equal to 8 colon, then break, right? And if then else colon and print I. When I run code, I got the answers 1 to 7. 8 number, it will not be added because I type here I equal to 8. So if you will type here 7, then it will stop at 7 number. So let's go to pie chart. Here I type here for I in range 1 comma 11 and colon is very important, and then if I, because in last tutorials we just type here for I in range and then print, but here I will type here break function. So here I will type here if I equal 8 colon is very important here, and then break, type here break, else colon and then print I. So when I run code, I got the answers 1 to 7. And if you want to type here, for example 6, then when I click on run button, then I got the answers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the next example is continuous by using while loop with continuous. Here I type here for I in range 1 comma 11 inside parenthesis colon, and then if I equal 5 colon continuous, else, sorry I forgot, here I have to type here colon, otherwise you will get the error. So please point to be note here. You have to type here colon and then print I. When I run code, I got the answers 1, 2, 3, 4, but here 5 is not included because I type here continuous, and then I got the answers 1 to 10, but 5 will not be included. Similarly, if I will type here 3, then 1 to 10, but the 3 will not be included. So let's do it on PyCharm. Here I will type here for I in range. I think the similar 1 to 11 colon, and then if I equal to 5 colon and then continue and then else and then print. So when I click on run button, then I got the answers 1 to 10, but 5 it is not included. So similarly, if I will type here 9, and when I click on run button, then I got the answers 1 to 10. So I hope you like this video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.